If your Nissan Armada's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out, it is usually a simple connection or software glitch you can fix in minutes. Statistically, over 80% of CarPlay connection issues are solved by simply switching to a high-quality, certified Lightning or USB-C cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system stable again. Start by completely removing the device from both the phone and the car settings before performing a hard reboot on both systems. Software bugs are common, so verify that both your iPhone and your Armada's NissanConnect system are running the latest available updates. If software isn't the issue, inspect the physical USB port in your center console for any play or signs of wear. While wireless is convenient, switching to a wired connection is the most reliable way to eliminate signal interference in the Armada. As you can see, a simple cable swap solves the majority of these headaches without a trip to the dealership. For persistent drops, try resetting your iPhone's network settings or performing a factory reset on the head unit itself. Invest in a high-quality data cable like an Anchor power line or an original Apple cord to ensure a steady data stream. Always isolate the problem by testing a different phone. This confirms if the issue is with your device or the vehicle hardware. With these steps, your Nissan Armada should stay connected, drive safe, and enjoy your music.